This is my delicious fudgy brownies and pancake dessert. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making brownies and pancakes that will be served with strawberries, bananas and milk and white chocolate sauce. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with the brownies. First of all, you want to chop the dark chocolate. Make sure you use a good quality chocolate for this. Grab yourself a bowl in with your dark chocolate with the butter. Now you want to melt that in the microwave. This should take you around 2 minutes. And now we're gonna mix in the sugar. And the sugar again. Always mix the sugar this way to ensure it's properly combined. This will also cool down the mixture a bit. Just gonna put that aside. And now we're gonna mix in the eggs. 3 medium or 2 large eggs. Again, it's best to mix in 1 egg at a time. Also ensure the mixture is not too hot, otherwise your eggs will scramble. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Going with your second egg. Break the egg yolk. Just mix until combined. There's no need to over mix this. Using some of the vanilla extract for more flavor. A light pinch of salt in there. And finally we can mix in our dry ingredients. Plain flour, pass that through a fine sieve. Some of this cocoa powder for more flavor. Now slowly combine everything. Again, just mix this until combined. Now, using a spatula, I'm just gonna clean off the sides. The mixture looks amazing. One of the best brownies that you guys gonna try. Don't be afraid of having a little taste. Perfect. Now the mixture goes in a 9-inch tray that is aligned with baking paper. Make sure to distribute it evenly. So that's exactly what we're looking for. Now this goes in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for around 30 to 35 minutes until completely done. Now for the pancakes, in with the egg. Going in with the sugar, in with the milk, in with any neutral oil, pinch of salt, and some of this vanilla extract. Give this a really good mix. And now you want to add in the plain flour, some of this baking powder and baking soda. And now combine this until you have a smooth batter. That's exactly what we look for. Let's cook this. Now grab yourself a flat pan, turn up the heat around low medium. Add in some of the butter. And make sure to spread the butter. Now with your pancake batter. Let this cook for around 15 to 20 seconds until you can see the bubbles have stopped forming. Now let's turn these. Bismillah. Now once you have flipped these, just give another 10 seconds. That's exactly what we're looking for. You see? Perfectly cooked. Gonna start removing these. Our delicious mini pancakes. Done. Alright, so the brownies are done. Now we're gonna let it cool down for a few hours and then we're gonna slice it. Trust me, they smell amazing. For the milk chocolate sauce, with the milk of course. With the milk chocolate. Gonna flavor with some of the vanilla extract, sugar to taste. Now give that really good mix and let this come to a simmer. Now once it starts to simmer, we're gonna mix in the cornstarch. Slowly. Now let this cook for a few minutes to activate the cornstarch, and your sauce should be done in no time. The sauce is gonna thicken even more once it has cooled down. Our mouth-watering milk chocolate sauce. Done. The sauce is so nice and smooth, you guys gonna absolutely love this. Now to make our white chocolate sauce, in with evaporated milk. And with the white chocolate, sugar, plain flour, good pinch of salt, vanilla extract. Now turn up the heat around low medium and let this cook for around 4 to 5 minutes until you have a thick consistency. Once the sauce is nice and thick, I'm just gonna turn off the heat, mix in some of the butter. Now if you got some white food color, you can mix in that, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. If you like a more fine kind of sauce, then you can pass it through a sieve. Our delicious white chocolate sauce. Done. Alright, let's check our brownies. Carefully remove this. Beautiful, just look at that. Now we're gonna slice it. Alright guys, let's plate this open with your brownies first. Just gonna start adding them here. Here with our strawberries. That looks so beautiful. Nice, juicy strawberries. Gonna go perfect with this. Here with our delicious pancakes. Got some more strawberries. Some of these bananas, serving with some of this milk and white chocolate sauce. They look so delicious. You can adjust the consistency of the sauce by using some milk as well. Our mouth-watering brownies with pancakes, strawberries, bananas, milk and white chocolate sauce. Duh, you guys gonna absolutely love this.
Flawless victory.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so delicious. First, let's try the brownies. Look at those. So nice and fudgy. Perfect texture. Bismillah. Wow. These just melt in your mouth. They are perfect. Let's try the brownie with some of the milk chocolate sauce. Bismillah. Wow, honestly I'm lost for words. Let's refresh our mouth with some of the strawberry. I love strawberries, you know.
Fatality.
Alright, on to our pancakes now. Look at those. Just gonna get some banana as well. Bismillah. Wow, the pancakes are so fluffy. It has an amazing flavor. Bismillah. Wow, you guys gonna absolutely love this. What an amazing dessert that was. You guys gonna absolutely love this. Please do me a favor and share this video with your family and friends. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.
Flawless victory.